Range hoods are an essential part of your home's ventilation system. Not only do they remove excess humidity and cooking odors, but they also improve your home's air quality. You can clean your range hood's exterior with a soft cloth, warm water, and a mild detergent, such as dish soap. Now, carefully lift the filter out. Most models will have push or pull tabs to release the filter. Next, hand wash the filter using warm water and the same mild detergent. If there is a buildup of grease, soak the filter in warm water and detergent for 30 minutes or more to help lift the residue. Rinse your filter using clean water and set it aside to dry. Once dry, slide or clip the filter back into the range hood. Secure it in place and you're done. We recommend cleaning your range hood filter monthly. For more home care and maintenance tips, visit us online.